Let me show you how to improve the safety and security of your travel trailer with using just this one screwdriver. Safety and security are very important when it comes to camping. It's no exception if you have an RV or travel trailer. Sure, you're inside solid walls, that gives you some extra protection. But did you know that people who have a similar model, and even models that aren't the same as yours, may have the exact same key to get into your travel trailer? We knew that when we got our new RV, we needed to get something different for a door lock. So while we were in the market for an RV lock, we ran into Anias, who agreed to let us feature this lock in our video to share it with you. So right away, I noticed that it's a very solid build on here. Has a spot for the key for the deadbolt. Has some settings on the back here that will be inside of the camper, and you can adjust that. And I was wrong saying that we would put it together with just this screwdriver that I had, because it came with its own little bitty screwdriver and also a T-handle Allen wrench. So I did end up using the screwdriver after all, and that was to get rid of the original. It's pretty simple to take apart. You'll see that you just undo the 4 screws that detach it there, the 2 screws for the latch on the side. So now we have the opening where we will get it put in and see how quick we can get it changed over and how good it works. Okay, so it did not come with batteries, and honestly, for the price, I would think that you would include batteries with it, but it is what it is at this point. Not a deal breaker. So we always keep extra batteries in our camper. If you're not carrying spare batteries with you in your camper, you should get some. So the little screwdriver came in handy to put the batteries in. So I've heard from other people that when you put in a different lock, you may have to shave off some of the fitting here. My holes weren't lining up, so I did have to do it. Don't go crazy and get a hacksaw or a jigsaw or something. Just use your good old camping pocket knife. Okay, my thoughts on the Anias keyless RV door lock. Installation wasn't too bad. The directions, there are no directions. The directions show you how to program the keypad and the key fobs. Installation, it's if you've done it before, it's easy. If you haven't done it before, pay attention, take your time. Overall, it's a very sturdy lock though. I would recommend it. And if you're interested in getting one, I have a discount code down in the description below where you can get one for yourself.